Whether you're driving across the country, moving to a new place, or going home for the holidays, sometimes you need to rent a car. And these can be pricey, especially if you're paying for an extra expense you don't need. So save money with today's tip. Use your credit card's secret rental insurance benefit. Many people don't know this, but credit cards usually have this hidden free perk that covers damage, collision, and theft whenever you rent a car. And all you need to do to activate it is simply pay for your car rental with a credit card having this benefit. That's it. Then, if the unfortunate were to happen, you just file the claim through your credit card company. This is fantastic because now you don't have to pay extra for rental car insurance or risk going without it, saving you money each day of your trip. And we're actually using this travel tip right now as we speak, saving us about $30 on our trip driving from New York to Iowa. However, know that not every credit card has this perk. So before you use it to rent a car, make sure you call your credit card company to ask if your card includes car rental coverage. If it doesn't, or you don't have a credit card, don't worry because I have a second option for you. Check your primary car insurance carrier. They usually include free car rental coverage with your plan. Just make sure you call them in advance to ask. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip. Please click the like and subscribe buttons now if you did, and I will see you next Tuesday. Happy trails.